Hello friends, our topic is scale. For use to scale your object. So click on scale, select your object, click on end selection. Now you will see the method option means copy, move and join are same as other option. So selection, so reselect your selection means reselect your scale object. Next is reference point, so reselect your reference point. Now we will discuss about style. In style you will see the two options are here, uniform and by axis. First is uniform. So in uniform also two options, factor and percentage. Factor, your scale is 1 and I will change the scale 2. So you will see your object is scaling in double. If you change the option percentage, you will see your value is 200. So my object is 100%. So this is the original object and now my scaling is 200%. So this is a double. So factor and percentage. Now we will check this object. So okay. First move your object. So for move we will apply translate, select your object and end selection. So click, give distance 15, enter and OK. So now we will check in a drafting horizontal, first point and second point. So you will see this value is 10 and this is 20. This value is 5 and this value is 10. So you will see your object is double. Okay, so now I will delete this dimension and again scale. So in a transform, scale, object selection, click on end selection. So next option is by axis. So you will select the by axis. You see x, y and z value. If I change in only y axis, so I will change in y double. So you will see if you click the method is move, so you will see only change in y axis. X value is as it is. See. So now again recheck this object. So OK. Translate first, second, third and fourth, end selection and move. OK. In a drafting horizontal, first and second. So you will see the x value is same by 10. But the y value is double because our y value is 5. So, okay. Again, scale, object selection and click on end selection. You will see this is a uniform by uniformly scaling and by x is non-uniformly scaling. Okay, these options are same, factor and percentage by uniform. So now this is the selection means reselect your object and reference point. See, if I change the scaling like 1.5, see. So reselect your reference point like this one, see. Reselect again this point. Reselect again this point. See. So reselect, again I set the corner point. Okay. So these options are used for the scale. Okay. Hello friends, our next topic is stretch. For stretch your object. So click on stretch. For stretch, you will need to have selection of your object by your stretch direction. So half selection in x-axis, click on end selection and give your distance here like 5 or 3. So you will see your object stretch in your x-axis. So if you change in y also like 1, so you will see in x and y both direction are stretch is available. So I will set the 0 in y-axis. So this is the x, y and z value for your stretch. Next, the method is copy and move. If you select the copy, so normal object means original object are there and your stretch object are copy. If you select the move, so your object is directly move and stretch. So this is the polar, means you will see your x-axis value, this is the length value, and angle means y direction. But if you give a perfectly by angle stretch like 25, so you will see this is the 0 and your 25 angle stretch in y direction. So angle set is 0. So if you change the stretch by length and angle, so this is the polar option, and by only length value, so select your delta option. Again, okay, if I change stretch in my y-axis, so stretch half selection by this side. Click on end selection and now change your value like 3. You will see in okay. So this is stretch your object in x-axis and stretch your object in y-axis. So this is the stretch option.